Okay, good morning everyone. Please sit down, please sit down. Okay, where's the others? Nasa labas. Okay, before I will start our discussion today, I will read the instruction. The objectives. Okay, objectives. At the end of the lesson, the student will be able to, number one, describes the internal structure of the earth. Number two, discuss the causes of plate movement. Number three, enumerate the lines of evidence support plate movement. Okay, yesterday, what our topic yesterday? Okay, Ella? Okay, very good. The plate tectonics. Okay, today I will discuss the studying of the earth. Okay, okay. Please stand up, everyone. Okay, Ella with the prayer. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Good morning, everyone. Okay, please sit down, please sit down. Okay. Say, okay, say present is present, and say absent, UFD, absent. Okay, where's Ella? Okay, present. Mia, present. Jessa, present. Gabriel, present. John, present. Isa, present. Okay, perfect attendance. Okay, very good. Please sit down, please sit down. Okay. Before our start our discussion today, I introduce my lesson plan. This is my lesson plan. Kilala niyo. This is my lesson plan. Okay, this is my lesson plan. Okay. Okay, our topic today, please quiet class, they're quiet. Our topic today, or our discuss today, is all about the studying of the earth. Okay. Okay, please listen to my discussion today because later we have a short quiz lang. Okay. Scientists started to explore the interior of the earth. Yet until today, there are no mechanical proofs the actual exploration done totally discover the deepest region of the earth. The earth is made up 3 layers. Okay, what are those, please? Okay, crust. What else? Mantle and also the core. This is the crust, the mantle, and the core. That are the 3 layers of the earth interior. The study of 3 layers is mostly done in the earth crust since mechanical proofs that are possible due to tremendous heat and very high pressure underneath the earth interior. Okay, let's proceed to what are the seismic graph. You learn that earthquake is vibration of earth produced by the rapid release to energy most then because of the slippage along the fault and the crust in the earth crust. This energy radiates to direction from the focus of from the waves called seismic waves, which are recorded in the seismograph. The two main type of seismic waves are body waves and surface waves. Okay, this is here the pictures of the love waves and the Rayleigh waves. Okay, this is the love wave and also this is the Rayleigh waves. Okay, nakita niyo lahat? Okay, very good. Please listen to my discussion. Okay, let's proceed the what are the P and the S waves. The P waves, primary waves, is pulse energy that travel quickly through the earth into liquid. Bakit maingay? Please sit down and quiet, class. Please listen to my discussion today. Okay? The P waves travel faster than the S waves. Okay? The P waves is the faster than the S waves. After an earthquake, it reaches a detector first. The reason why is this called primary. The P waves, also called professional waves, that travel particle vibrating parallel to detective the wave travel. They first are ground to move backward and forward. As they are compressed, they expand. Most importantly, they travel through is the solid, liquid, and the gas. Okay, let's proceed the S waves. The S waves, secondary waves or shear waves. They are two the name of the S wave. The secondary waves and the shear waves. Is a pulse energy that travels slower than the P waves. Kanina nabanggit natin ang P waves is the faster than the S waves. The S waves is the slower. Saan na tayo? Through earth and solid. The S waves move as shear or transverse waves and force the ground to sway from the side to side and scrolling motion that trick the ground back and forth perpendicular to the director of the waves. The idea that the S waves cannot travel through any liquid. The medium seismologists and conclude the outer core and liquid the outer core and the liquid. Okay, this is the picture of the longitudinal P waves, latitudinal P waves, vibration direction. Okay, this is the pictures of the okay, this is longitudinal P waves is yung straight lang siya. Then the latitudinal S waves is yung paganon. Hindi ko alam, basta ganun. Scientists give information about the Earth's internal structure by the studying how seismic waves travel through the Earth. It involved measuring the time stake for both types of P waves, RHS, waves detecting cessation from the epicenter of the earthquake. An epicenter is point of the Earth's surface directly above the focus. Okay, nasaan yung iba? Okay, sit down. Please quiet and listen to me. The further away the epicenter means the longer time interval between are the arrival of P and the S waves. And 1909, Yugoslav seismologist Andrija Mohorovic Vucic Okay, I don't know what this means. Found out the velocity of seismic waves change in increase at the distance of about 50 kilometers below of the Earth's surface. This led of the idea that the difference and density between the Earth outermost layer, crust, and the layer of lies below the mantle. The boundary between these two layers called Mohorovicic discontinuity and honor of Mohorovicic and its short terms Moho. Okay, nakasunod na lahat. Okay, very good. P-waves can travel through liquid, while the S-waves cannot. During an earthquake, the seismic waves reject from the focus. Based on figure on the right, and the waves blend due to changing and density of the medium. As the depth increase, the density increase. Okay. Nakinig ba lahat sa akin? Nasaan na yung iba? Anong labas? Kumain sila. Okay. Please listen the last topic because later mag-quiz tayo, short quiz, and I will give the assignment. Okay, this is the table of the okay, please sit down, sit down. This is the table layer okay. P waves are detected on the other side of the Earth opposite the focus A shadow zone from 1003 to 142 exists from P waves as shown in figure 3 since P waves are detected until 103 Celsius. Disappear from 103 to 142, then repair again something inside the earthmost banding the P waves, the extent of the shadow zone. According to German seismologist Bino Gutenberg's could only explain the earth content to core composed of the material different from that of the mantle causing the banding of P waves. To honor him, mantle and core boundary is called Gutenberg's discontinuity. From the epicenter, S waves are detected until 103. From the point, S waves are no longer detected. This observation tells us that S waves do not travel all throughout the Earth body. There are portions inside the Earth that does not conduct the propagation of S waves, hence growing the properties and characteristics of S waves. And with idea that P waves are pent of some degree, this portion will be made of liquid, thus the outer core. And 1936, the innermost layer of the Earth was predicted by Dalens Riemann of the Danish seismology. He discovered a new region of seismic reflection within the core. So, the Earth has core within a core. Based on figure 3 and the page 8, we can say the outer parts of core is liquid based on the production on S waves shadow and the inner parts most be solid with different density than the surrounding material. The size of inner core, the accurately calculated Roth nuclear underground test conducted in Nevada includes the seismic waves provided accurate data of descending is this size. Okay, this is the layer and also necklace of kilometers. Crust, we have 40. Mantle, we have 2,900. Outer core, 2,200. Inner core, 1,278. Okay. Okay, let's proceed the composition of the Earth interior. The Earth composition tells a story about itself. It gives us clues to each past and proof about the gradual and slow changes that the underground for over 4.6 billion years. Okay, they have the crust, mantle, outer core, and also the inner core. Okay, the crust. Okay, I will read the first, the crust. The crust is the thinnest and the outermost layer of the earth that extend from the surface to about 32 kilometers below. Underneath some mountains, the crust necklace extends to 72 kilometers. The earth crust, as gleaned from figure 5 and also page 12, is subdivided into two regions. What are the what are the two regions? Okay, what are those the two regions? Okay, Esther. Okay, Isa, what are the two regions? Okay, very good. Okay, please sit down. Continental crust and also the oceanic crust. Okay, this is the pictures of the oceanic plates and also continental crust. Okay, this is the wait. Okay, this is the pictures of the continental crust and also the oceanic crust. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, here. The continental crust is mainly made up of the silicon, oxygen, aluminum, calcium, sodium, and potassium. The nucleus of the continental crust is mostly 35 to 40 kilometers continental crust found until land masses and made of less dense rocks of the granite. The oceanic crust is around 7 to 10 kilometers, thick with the average. Average thickness is 8 kilometers. It is found under the ocean floor and made of dense rocks, a basalt. The oceanic crust is heavier than the continental crust. The crust consists of two layers. The upper layers compose the granite and only found in the continental crust. Below the granite is the layer made mainly of basalt. This is found on both under the continental and the ocean. Okay, this is the element and also the percentage. Oxygen 46.60, silicon 27.72, aluminum 8.30, iron 5.00, calcium 3.63, sodium 2.83, potassium 2.59, magnesium 2.09, titanium 0.40, hydrogen 0.40, 14. Okay. Nakasunod ba lahat sa mga sinasabi ko? Okay, very good. Okay, let's proceed the mantle. Beneath the crust is the mantle, which extends to about 2,900 kilometers from the Earth's surface. It makes up about 800% of the Earth's total volume, is about 68 percent of the total of the mass. The mantle is mainly made up of silicate cracks, and contrary to common belief, is a solid since both S wave and P waves pass through it. The attempt to the study of the Earth mantle extended as the studying the rocks from volcanoes simply because they are rare form of the mantle. Of the mantle, Cistis also studied rocks from the ocean. Floor. They have determined that the mantle is mostly made of the elements silicon, oxygen, iron, and magnesium. The lower parts of the mantle consist of more iron than the upper parts. That explain that the lower mantle is thinner than the upper portion. The temperature and the pressure increase with depth. The higher temperature and pressure a mantle allowed in solid and slowly. Okay. Okay. May nakuha ba kayo sa discussion ko today? Okay, very good. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening of our discussion. Okay, let's proceed. The crust and the uppermost part of mantle from the relatively cold atmosphere cold lithosphere, and about 50 to 100 kilometers in these lithospheric plates move relative to others. Beneath the light lithosphere lies the software layer known as the atmosphere, made of hot molten materials. Its temperature is about 300 to 800 degrees Celsius, the upper 150 kilometers of the atmosphere, as the temperature enough to facilitate a small amount of melting and mist capable to flow. The property of the asthenosphere facilitates the movement of the lithospheric plates. The lithosphere with the continent on top on it being carried by the following asthenosphere. Okay. Before we proceed the core, do you have question, everyone? Okay, very good. Wala. Nakinig kayo? May nakuha kayong sa mga discussion ko? Okay, very good. Very good na mga estudyante ko. Ella, what's your... Okay. Okay, let's proceed the core. Okay, where is the others? Okay, papasukan na sila. Okay, this is the last topic, the core. After this, I will give the quiz I read, and also ipapasa nyo lang sa akin. Then I will give the assignment. Okay, let's proceed the core. The core is subdivided into two layers, the inner core and also the what? Okay, very good. The outer core. The outer core is 2,900 kilometers below of the Earth's surface. Is it 2,250 kilometers thick in the midst of iron and also the nickel? The temperature is the outer core reaches up to 2,000 degrees Celsius. Now, at this very high temperatures, iron and nickel melt. Aside from the seismic data analysis, the Earth's magnetic field strengthens. The idea that the Earth's outer core is molten and also the liquid. The outer core is mainly made up of iron and nickel moving around the solid inner core, creating Earth's magnetism. The inner core is made up of the solid iron and also the nickel and has radius of 1,300 kilometers. This temperature reaches to about 5,000 kilometers. The extreme temperatures could have molten than the iron and nickel but believed to have solidified as the result of pressure freezing, which is the common liquid subjected under the tremendous pressure. Okay, that's the end of our lesson. Okay, question, clarification. Okay, none. Okay. Okay, very good. They have no question and also the clarification. Okay, today I will give the quiz. Okay. Get one answer lang ha. Answer lang yung isusulat natin. Get 1/4 sheet of papers. Okay. Okay. Napapil na ba ang lahat? Okay, number 1. O sige, kuhaan muna kayo ng papel. Okay, may nandiyan na ba? Sige, bilisan kasi mag-quiz na tayo. 1/4 lang, 1/4 sheet of paper. Kung nakinig kayo sa lesson ko, may sagot kayo sa quiz. Dapat nakinig kayo kanina, lahat. Kasi nandun lahat yung okay, very good. Nakinig ka talaga eh, hala. Okay, very good. Okay. May papel na bang lahat? Okay. Let's start off. Let's start our quiz. Okay, number 1. The blank is a pulse energy that travels quickly through the earth and through liquid. Okay? Number 1. The blank is the pulse energy that travels quickly through the earth and through liquid. Okay, nandun nyo lahat. That's sa ating discussion. Huwag tumingin sa kasama. Focus on your paper. Okay, tapos na? Wala pa? Okay. Okay, ulitin ko. The blank is a pulse energy that travels quickly through the earth and through liquid. Okay, number 2. The blank is the tiniest and the outermost layer of the earth that extends from the surface to about 32 kilometers below. The blank is the tiniest in the outermost layer of the earth that extends from the surface to about 32 kilometers below. The 32 kilometers below. Galing na teacher. Okay, finish? Okay, wala pa. Bilisan nyo guys. Kasi may klase pa ako after this. What, Ella? Oh, hindi mo narinig yung question. Okay, question number 2 ba yan? Okay. The blank is the tiniest at the outermost layer of the earth that extend from the surface to about 32 kilometers below. That's question number 2. Okay, let's proceed. Faster guys, faster. Class, faster. Okay. Finish. Okay, number 3. Beneath the most is the blank, which extends to about 2,900 kilometers from the Earth's surface. Number 3 question. Beneath the crust is the blank, which extends to about 2,900 kilometers from the Earth's surface. That's the question number 3. Okay, finish. What, Gabriel? Question number 3. Beneath the crust is the blank, which extends to about 2,900 kilometers from the Earth's surface. From the Earth's surface. That's the question number 3. Okay, finish. Number 4. Faster. Let the A know. Okay guys, faster guys. Kasi it's already 11:40. Bilis. Okay, number 4. The S-waves, secondary waves, or Sheave waves is a false energy that travel blank than P waves through earth and solid. I will read first. The S-waves, secondary waves, or Sheave waves is a false energy that travel blank than P waves through earth and solid. Okay, kuha. That the question number 4. Okay, I will repeat. The S-waves, secondary waves, or Sheave waves is a false energy that travel travel blank than P waves through earth and solid. Yes, John. Question number 4. Okay. Okay. Listen. The S-waves energy, the S-waves, secondary waves or shape waves, is a false energy that travel blank than P waves through Earth and solid. Gets? Okay. Faster. Faster, guys. Yes, Esa. Question number 4. Okay. The S waves, secondary waves or shape waves, is a false energy that the travel blank than a P waves through Earth and solid. Gets? Okay, very good. Faster. Last number 5. Last number 5. There are two types of surface waves, core waves and blank. That was named after John William Staff, Lloyd Rayleigh, who mathematically predicted the existence of this kind of waves in 1885. I repeat, there are two types of surface waves, the core waves and blank, that was named after John William Staff, Lord Rayleigh, who mathematically predicted the existence of this kind of waves in 1885. Okay, finish. Faster. Okay, faster, guys. That's the last number. Yes, Maya. Question number 5. Okay, lesson. There are two types of surface waves, that the lab waves and blank, that waves named after John William Staff, Lord Rayleigh, who mathematically predicted the existence of kind of waves in 1885. Okay, what's that? If you're listen for my topic, so you can answer. Okay, finish. Oh, okay, please, pass your paper. Ako lang mag-check. Okay, plus. Okay, nasaan na yung iba? Okay. Okay, thank you for your quizzes. Okay, today, I will give the assignment research. Okay, sulat nyo sa papel. Then, your class tomorrow, and also, may klase ba bukas? Okay, mayroon. 22. Okay? Please, 1/4 lang ito, 1/4 sheet of paper. Isulat niyo sa 1/4 sheet of paper. Okay, research assignment. Okay? Research the content of Earth mechanism. Research the content of Earth mechanism. Research the content of Earth mechanism. 20 points. Okay. Everyone, thank you for listening my discussion today. Okay, see you tomorrow and dismiss. Thank you everyone. Okay. Bye.